Hey everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make these spooky Halloween garlands. This craft involves folding paper and cutting it out into different shapes to create a repeating pattern. Although Halloween this year might look a bit different, you can still get in the Halloween spirit with this cool craft. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. The first step of the craft is to prep our paper. Here I will be using my ruler to draw lines lengthwise down the paper. Then, using my scissors, I will cut along the lines. After we've made our rectangular shapes, we're going to be folding them in half repeatedly. So as you can see, after folding a line down the center, you'll be folding one end so that it meets the line at the center to create another fold. We'll be using these creases to help us make our accordion fold. So taking one end, repeatedly fold up and down until you reach the end of the strip of paper. We will be using this as the base for our garland. You can go ahead and fold your other strips of paper. Once we have folded the base of our craft, we can move on to drawing our shapes. I will be showing you how to draw 4 spooky shapes: a pumpkin, a bat, a ghost, and a spider. Here I'm starting off by drawing the pumpkin. I'm only drawing half a pumpkin, and I'm making sure that the sides touch the edges of the paper. Don't forget to do this because it is one of the most important steps to making your garland. Once you finish drawing half of the shape, you can go ahead and cut it out. Once you finish cutting out your shape, here comes the fun part. You can unfold your paper to reveal your garland. The next spooky shape I'll be showing you how to create is a bat. Once again, you only have to draw half of the shape and make sure the edges of the bat touch the left and right edges of the paper. When you're done drawing your shape, you can go ahead and cut it out. After you finish cutting it out, you can unfold it to reveal the final garland. For this garland, since I only had 4 folds on my paper, it only created 2 shapes. So keep that in mind if you want to create more. The next shape we will be making is a spider. Once again, follow the rules of creating only half of the shape and making sure that there are edges that touch the left and right side of the paper. The next shape that I will be drawing is a ghost. Remember to keep in mind the same rules we applied before. For this shape, I will be showing you how you can create a longer garland using tape. After having cut out your shape, take a strip of paper with the same number of folds. Using the garland you just created, fold it back into half of its shape and use that as a stencil to create the other half of your garland. So using my pencil, I'm going to be tracing over this shape on my new strip of paper. And as before, I will be cutting it out. Using a piece of tape, I will be taping the edges of these two garlands together. I put tape on both the front and the back of the garland to make sure that it is secure, and then I will go ahead and cut off any excess. And there you have a longer garland. I will also be adding in another small detail. Using a black marker, I'll just be creating a face on each of my ghosts. Whenever you're happy with your final pieces, you can now use your garlands to decorate your home and get in the Halloween spirit. I hope you had fun making this craft, and I hope you have fun getting in the Halloween spirit with your new decorations. Feel free to try out some more spooky shapes. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!